So this is the Anker C800X portable power station. The X means it does party tricks, which I'll show you a little bit later. Right now, I am charging an iPad, a Sonos speaker. It's running these lights. It's also running my refrigerator. Probably wondering, how long will this light stay on? Will all this stay on? So right now it's telling me through the app, it's around 6 hours. Yes, it has a built-in app where I can control everything. It tells me exactly how much power is going out and how much power is going in. Now, to get power into this, it's extremely efficient. It has hyper flash technology. Basically what that means is you can charge this giant battery in 1 hour plugged into a household outlet. Now, if you're on the go and you have solar panels, they got you covered. They even give you the wires. So if you have solar panels that have this interface, which I do, I have some older solar panels, you can plug those solar panels into this and charge it. Nice thing is, no matter what size solar panel it is, it'll actually tell you on the app how much power is coming in and how long it's going to take to fully charge this. So you're never kind of just left in the dark. You know exactly what's going on. Now, if you're outside of your house, you have no solar, maybe you have your car, okay, and you weren't driving around. Well, they got that covered as well. So you can plug this into the carport in your car and charge this up. So let's go over some features. It's got 5 120 outlets, okay, as you can see here. It has a carport outlet, 2 USB-C, 2 normal USB-Cs. These are IQ. I'm telling you, this thing is so cool. You haven't even seen the coolest part yet. This is where you plug it into the wall. This is where you plug it into your car or your solar panels. You get your LED display here. Gives you a lot of information, but really my favorite part. So the app will tell you the DC input, the AC input, if you have it plugged in. It'll tell you the output of all of these USB and USB-Cs. It'll tell you the carport output. It'll tell you the AC output. You can even control the light on here, and it's got 4 different settings. Bunch of different settings that are inside the app, okay? So enough about the app. The reason why this is the C800X is because there's something packed special up in here. Let's just show you. The C800 just has a storage compartment, but the X, these special little tools in here, these are actually flashlights, all right? And they got 3 different settings, okay? On this setting, it'll actually run for like 130 hours. It'll just sit there, sip power, and run, okay? So you have 3 different settings. You have your kind of your normal flashlight, and you have 2 of them. The coolest thing is these are rechargeable in this compartment. So in this compartment, there's a charging port where these magnetically just attach in there and charge. Now, if that wasn't cool enough, so there's this little door on the top. You screw this in. This is expandable. I'll bring it down for now. And you can put this on. It's held on by magnets. And look at that. So now if you're out, you're no longer in the dark. And if you need to take this on the go, you can go. And if you have something with you, you have 2. This has multiple settings, so it gets brighter. Ooh, look how bright that's getting. They can also be hung maybe by your tent. They're also magnetic. So you can stick these to something that's magnetic. Now, if this is the coolest portable power station you've ever seen, I don't know what is. This is extremely lightweight. It's only 25 pounds, has drop safe protection. So if you drop it, you're not gonna break it, you know, and I just can't get over how cool this is. I have other portable power stations. I do not have one like this. This is a ton of power packed in this small unit, super lightweight. I mean, it's packed with features. So I will put a link down below if you wanna pick this up for yourself. I'm Mike, and I'm portable battery pack out.